has a microphone, right? Yes, it's a microphone. It may look weird, but yeah, it's a microphone. The brand name is Blue, okay, although it's black. So it's a Blue Snowball iCE condenser microphone. It's a cardioid microphone, and it's yeah, this version is black. Okay, it comes with its little tripod. You can just detach the tripod. Doesn't feel light and stuff. Yeah, it got a little weight to it. Okay, it's about maybe just about a pound, a little over a pound. It's a USB microphone, so you plug in your USB cable here. It comes with a real high quality USB cable, yeah, heavy duty USB cable. There is a little LED light that activates when the microphone is on. Alright, it's a condenser microphone, so you don't have to worry about phantom power. It gets all that power through the USB. You just plug it in. You don't need to install any drivers and stuff. Just plug it in and away you go. Alright. Blue makes some very good microphones, and you see this has a very wide pickup pattern. It's omnidirectional, so you can pick up. It's good to use for conferencing and stuff and things like that. Sometimes, yeah, well, even like you're doing you're recording audio for your YouTube channel, you can use a microphone like this. My son uses this to do all his narration. Right now, I'm using my over $500 lavalier microphone. Okay, that's what I'm using now. And let's switch to this microphone. Okay, and you're gonna hear the difference in the audio. All right, and you will decide for yourself if it sounds good, if it sounds bad, if it's something you can work with, if it's an A, if it's an A. All right, so I'm gonna just connect the USB cable. Sorry. All right, and I'm gonna connect it to the computer now, and you'll hear the difference. So now I'm using the audio from this microphone. Okay, how it sound? Yeah, you can hear the difference. I sound more hollow, I sound clearer. Well, I'm just demonstrating the this Blue Snowball iCE condenser microphone, which is black. Let me just place it exactly on the stand. What I don't like about it, it should have been able to tilt, alright, because I have it straight up. It should be able to tilt a little bit. Maybe you don't need to. Okay, I'm standing about a foot and a half away from it, yeah, and I'm talking, so how does it sound? You can hear the difference, right? Okay, all right, so that's how the Blue Snowball iCE condenser microphone sounds. Now I'm going to switch back to my regular microphone. Now I'm back with my regular microphone. This costs $49. Okay, a little pricey, but then you got a good quality microphone where you can do all your voiceovers and stuff. It's not perfect for studio recording, professional studio recording, or for singing, right? Mainly for speech, for podcasts, for narration, you know. Yeah, I wouldn't really call it broadcast quality, but it can pass. Yeah, it's alright. Okay, so yeah, well, it depends on what you want to do. I'll give this microphone a thumbs up. Okay, don't forget it's called the Blue Snowball iCE condenser microphone.